In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive files to Notion automatically. By the end, you'll know how to connect your Google Drive to a Notion database so you can quickly browse and link files right from a cell, saving you a ton of copy and paste time. First, open the Notion database, where you want to attach Drive files. This needs to be a database, not just a regular page, because we're adding a new property. At the top of your database, add a new property. In the Property Type menu, search for and select Google Drive file. You can give this property a clear name so your team knows what the column is for. Something like Drive file or supporting docs. As soon as you choose the Google Drive file type, Notion will get ready to connect to your Google account. Next, connect your Google account. A prompt will guide you through signing in and granting permission so Notion can show your Drive files. Follow the on-screen steps and make sure you are using the account that actually holds the files you want to link. If you work across personal and work accounts, double-check you've picked the right one. Once connected, you'll see a Drive picker you can access directly from each cell in that new column. Here is how it works in practice. Click into any cell in the Google Drive file column, and you'll be able to browse your Drive, search by file name or keyword, and then select the file you want to associate with that row. Notion will display the file name right in the cell, and you can click it any time to jump straight to the document in Drive. This is especially handy for tasks, meeting notes, specs, or content calendars, where each row needs a supporting file. You are no longer hunting for links, you are simply selecting from your Drive right where you are working. A quick note on automation and expectations. This setup does not automatically pull every brand new Drive file into your database. Instead, it makes attaching Drive files fast and reliable without leaving Notion. Think of it as an integrated picker. You still choose which file belongs to which row, but you do it in seconds. To stay organized, consider making this property part of your database template so every new entry already has a dedicated Google Drive file cell waiting for you. Also, keep an eye on sharing permissions in Google Drive to ensure anyone who needs the file can open it from the Notion link. That's all you need to link Google Drive files to Notion efficiently. Thanks for watching.